Wanna do, wanna cook? Drop in the comment section and let me know what you're cooking. Here's how to make some Jamaican style jerk wings in the oven with a little honey. So jerk honey wings, done dry, no sauce on it or no gravy, but just done dry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to give the video a like. Set your notification bell so you won't miss a video upload. I did this with some Rasta pasta, and you will see my Rasta pasta video. If you haven't checked that out yet, please run on over to check out how I do my Jamaican style Rasta pasta. Purchase some wings. Make sure you remove all them feathers. Anything yellow on it, please get it off. Clean your wings. Make sure they look white like these. Added a little olive oil, sazon, smoked paprika, jerk sauce, and I did not use any salt. As Jamaicans, we use too much salt. These seasonings are already laced with a lot of salt. Also use some garlic powder. Because it's my business, I used chili flakes. If you're Jamaican, we use too much salt. Yes, we do. And hypertension is like our biggest enemy. Little dash of black pepper, and as I mentioned, I will not be using any salt because the garlic powder and the sazon has salt in it. Smoked paprika. Season your chicken however you want to. This is in my kitchen. Be respectful of my kitchen, okay? Added a little jerk, and the jerk is already laced with also salt. It's Walker's Oat jerk. Rub in everything into my wings. Feel free to season, marinate for a few hours or overnight. And I added a little browning to mine because I'll be doing this in the oven. And I wanted to get a little color. There goes my chicken. I seasoned, covered for a few hours, almost half of the day. And now I'm about ready to put them in my oven. So I added them onto this grill and I wrapped foil over it because I'll be doing this not in a lot of liquid because I want to have them dry, like dry rub. Like when you do the jerk chicken back home, that's how I want to do them. I baked them in the oven for 40 minutes, turned them over, and at this point, they were getting the color that I wanted. So I'm about to add some hot honey sauce on them, and then I'll just add them back in the oven to bake for another 5 to 10 minutes or for the honey to seep through them. There goes adding them back in the oven. And listen, this is what my oven style honey jerk wings came out to be. They were so scrumptious, so delicious. From the look of it, I know you want some, but listen, you have to subscribe, set your notification bell, follow me, and I'll mail you some. Don't forget to set your notification bell, and don't forget to give the video a like. And I did some Rasta pasta, which by now you should see that video. And I just dished this with some Jamaican style Rasta pasta. And you know, your girl can't leave out the veggies. We have to incorporate greens in our daily diet. It is healthy. It is good for us, even though I don't like broccoli. But that is what dinner look like. Look at it. Let me tell you something. You should try these wings. Bake them and then you add them back to get a little char in the oven. These were lit. These honey jerk wings, they were the bomb. 10 out of a 10. They were scrumptious, delicious, tasted really, really good. But listen, don't forget to subscribe, set your notification bell, give the video a like. Let me know what you think about my dinner. Have a great day. Thank you for liking the video. See you soon.